Hey guys, it's time for our home cooking hero, and this week is a cool one. PJ is from Kenyon Grill. Describe the grill because it's unlike most other grills people know.
It really is. So it's an electric grill that you can use inside, outside.
PJ, where are you from?
Born and raised in Chester, Connecticut, and I work at Simon's Marketplace in Chester. It's a little gourmet deli.
What are we grilling up, PJ?
So we're gonna have a nice New York strip, some herbs and garlic, wedge potatoes, and grilled asparagus.
All on the Kenyon Grill. This is going to be cool. Let's get started.
We're gonna start with potatoes. Those take the longest to cook. I have about a teaspoon of crushed up thyme, about a tablespoon of chopped garlic, and salt and pepper. I have them in foil. We're gonna wrap those up nice and tight.
And PJ, we need to point out this Kenyon Grill, it's electric, and all you do is put a little water in the base, right?
That's right. I have a little bit of water and some red wine. That's gonna add some nice flavor to everything on the grill. We're gonna let those potatoes cook for about 25 minutes. When you're working with asparagus, you want to take off this bitter end here. The end can be really tough, but we're gonna just blanch them. We're gonna have a nice herb and garlic compound butter for the top of that steak. So right here we have just a little bit of softened butter with thyme and garlic. And this is gonna go over the steak while the steak is resting. For the steak, I have New York strip. Lather this up with Worcestershire sauce. So again, we're gonna go real heavy here with the salt and pepper. I'm just gonna check on these potatoes. So those are starting to get nice and soft. While we're waiting for that, we can season up our asparagus here. So I've got about a tablespoon of garlic, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil. I like steak medium rare, so I'm gonna take that steak off right as it hits rare, and it's gonna rest at least 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so I have the final herb butter here. We're gonna slice off a nice chunk of that, and as that's sitting, we're just gonna let that melt over the steak. We have our asparagus here that we're gonna throw some marks on. All right, so that's about what you're looking for. It doesn't take really any time at all. So here's your finished product. Nice New York strip with garlic and herb butter, some roasted potatoes, and grilled asparagus.
One more time, PJ, if you don't mind, the Kenyon Grills, where do we get them? I know a lot of dads want one for Father's Day.
Cookwithkenyon.com.
Will you enjoy that lunch? You stay safe, be healthy.
I sure will. Thanks a lot. You stay safe as well.